Hello, welcome to Andrew Maths Hub. Today I'm going to be taking you through differentiation and I'm going to be treating the power rule today. So if you like this video, kindly subscribe and also like the video. So first of all, we are dealing with a topic called differentiation. So what is differentiation? Differentiation is the method used in calculus to show how function is changing. Now, quickly we jump to the rules in differentiation. The rules in differentiation include power rule, product rule, chain rule, or function of function rule. And we have what? The quotient rule. So, like I said, we are going to be treating the power rule today. So, power rule. The formula for power rule is x raised to power n minus 1. N is referred to as what? The given number of the power. So here, you differentiate it, which is dy over dx of the power rule. So, for instance, like for example here, we have x raised to power n. To solve this kind of, to differentiate this, you have to bring it out by saying x raised to power 3, which is the number given as the power, minus whatever you have. Differentiation, the reason why you have minus is because differentiation has to do with decrease. When you talk of integration, integration has to do with adding, differentiation has to do with minusing, but we are not going to that. So, you have 3 minus 1. Once you minus it, you have 2. So, dy over dx, and whatever you have as your power have to come to the front automatically here. So, you have 3x minus whatever you have here, which is at the top, should give you what? 2. 3 minus 1 will give you 2. So, the answer of your differentiation will be 3x raised to power 2 as your final answer. Let's assume we are given a question that we should find the first, second, and third of the following. Let's assume we have x, we have 6x 3 plus 2x 2 plus x plus 4, and you are asked to differentiate it using the first word principle. So you say dy over dx equals to the differentiation of 6x cubed means 6 times whatever you have here has to come down times 3x raised to power 3 minus 1 plus 2 times 2x 2 minus 1 plus this has 1, so instead of no need of writing the 1, but you can still put it by saying 1 times x. But in mathematics you don't really need that. You have, there's an invisible 1 here, which should be what? 1 minus 1 plus 4. And in differentiation, anything that is constant, this 4 is what? Constant. Constant is automatically what? 0. Equals to, is automatically 0. Just note that. So quickly we say this times this, 6 times 3 will give you what? 18. You have 18x. 3 minus 1 will give you what? 2 plus dy over dx. You have 2 times 2 will give you 4x. 2 minus 1 will give you 1. and it's automatically 1, no need of writing the 1. So we have plus 1 times x is still x. 1 minus 1 is what? 0. And anything raised to power 0 is what? Is the same as what? 1. Plus anything raised to power 0 is what? 1. So you turn your 1 here. So that is what? Our final answer. So if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.